Hey guys, welcome back. Samsung just launched the Galaxy M47 5G. It's packing some serious value. Today, I'm breaking it down in 5 key points. Is this the ultimate budget king? Let's find out. Point 1. Display and design. The M47 5G features a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1400 nits peak brightness. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on front and back, it feels premium with flat edges and IP64 rating. Available in Rogue Red and Blaze Blue, it's slim at 7.8mm and weighs 200 grams. Point 2. Performance and software. Powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset with up to 8GB LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Expandable via microSD. It handles daily tasks and light gaming smoothly. It ships with Android 16 plus One UI 8.5 and gets a massive 6 years of OS upgrades plus security updates, flagship level support at mid-range price. Point 3. Camera setup. Rear triple camera. 50 megapixels main with OIS, 5 megapixels ultrawide, and 2 megapixels macro. It shoots solid daylight photos and 4K video. Front is a 12 megapixel shooter. Not the best in class for low light or zoom, but great for everyday use with Samsung's reliable processing. Point 4. Battery life. The standout feature. A massive 6000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging and bypass charging for gaming. Expect 1.5 to 2 days of heavy use. This is one of the biggest batteries in this segment and keeps the phone cool during extended sessions. Point 5. Price and verdict. Starting at just $238.99, 6GB, 128GB with offers. On Amazon it offers incredible value. Pros. Long software support, big battery, vibrant display. Cons. Average secondary cameras, single speaker. Perfect for users wanting reliability without breaking the bank. The Galaxy M47 5G is a strong contender in the mid-range segment. If battery life and updates matter most, this is a winner. What do you think? Buy or skip? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.